This is the fight between two outstanding riders from Thailand in the greatest jet ski tournament. 2-in-1 Super Tournament, Jet Ski World Cup and Jet Ski World Series Season 2020 and 2021. The tournament was held under the COVID-19 restriction measures without live audience. Every rider had 14 days of state quarantine and tested for COVID-19 before participating in the tournament. Pro Runabout 1100 Open, a sit-down 1100cc waterjet with modified engine. There are two outstanding riders to watch in this competition. Permpon Thirapat from Thailand, the championship holder, and Supak Setura from Thailand, who won 2019 World Series in America Stadium. In the first and second moto, Permpon Thirapat and Tapatarawat Josanuson shared the first place as their points were equal at 133, while Supak Setura took the fifth place. In the third and fourth moto, Permpon Thirapat still did a fabulous job, while Tapatarawat Josanuson jet ski was in trouble. And that makes Buk Serpsuwan took the second place, Chirak Setura took the third place, and Supak Setura took the fourth place. And finally, Permpon Thirapat from Thailand became the champion of Pro Runabout 1100 Open. He won World Cup trophy and World Series trophy with $25,000 as the prize money. And that makes him became the two-time back-to-back consecutive champion. And this was what happened in the greatest waterjet tournament with the world's highest prize money. 2-in-1 Super Tournament, Jet Ski World Cup and Jet Ski World Series Season 2020 and 2021.